5 little sharks swam out to play in the deep blue sea one sunny day. They splished and splashed and swam around. Then one little shark dove down, down, down. 4 little sharks with fins so bright chased small fish in the morning light. They laughed and played a watery tune. Then one swam off beneath the moon. 3 little sharks with happy grins, spinning circles with their fins. They blew big bubbles clear and round. Then one swam off without a sound. 2 little sharks went gliding by, waving tails to say goodbye. One saw coral pink and red. He swam away to his coral bed. 1 little shark was left to play, all alone at the end of the day. He yawned and smiled, the sea turned dark. Good night, little sleepy shark. The ocean hummed a soft refrain, a lullaby beneath the rain. The waves rolled gently, slow and deep, as all 5 sharks drifted to sleep. In dreams they swam through shining light, past glowing reefs and stars so bright. Tomorrow's sea would call again for 5 little sharks and all their friends.